Guys, this is Sakura-san, and today I'm going to unbox Dia Mante. And then I'm gonna try and fix her bangs because so I bought this from Brighton. Here's the code for it. And that's how long I'm gonna show it for. Yeah, I bought it from Entertainer in Brighton. I was like looking for a Pacific Monster High doll, but they didn't have any Monster High doll, so I bought a Rainbow High doll instead and a Law OMG doll. So I'm just going to unbox her and then I'm gonna fix her bangs by pouring boiling hot water on her from the kettle. So there she is. Oh my god, she looks so glamorous. I love it. I love her hair as well. Wow. Like basically I bought her because she's purple. And I wanted another shadow high doll. Oh my god, she has little pockets on the shoes. That's so cool. I really like her tights. It's so sparkly and stuff. I think I need to remove this thing first before she has accessories as well. She has like this drinking mug, the travel mug, a makeup palette, and some sunglasses. I really wish they had ones that I didn't have already, and ones with second outfits, because I'm gonna buy another one with a second outfit, and I haven't seen many lately with second outfits out in the shops. Hang on, I'm gonna put my phone down for a bit to get this thing out. Okay, I think I need both hands to pull out. I did something bad. I took all of these out of camera by accident. But it's fine. I'll take these out on camera, I guess. Just have to turn the camera. Can't do this. Am I supposed to like cut it like that? I think so. Ouch. Oh, drop the brush. Come on, focus. Focus. There we go. That's as focused as it could get. I think I dropped another one and I didn't notice it.